On this video, we're going to modify the product collections page that will show up and which is one of the two collections that are available on this shop. To do this, go to the article and copy this code. Then we need to go to the collection file, go to code editor, and go to the pages folder, collections, and go to handle server.jsx. We'll need to override everything on the return function. So rewrite it. Then let's see our shop on the browser. To do this, go to one of the collection. I will choose Freestyle Collections. Then it will change into something like this. But on the product card, there are still many black fonts that we need to change. So go back to the documentation of the article. Then copy the product card modification. Then we need to go to the product card components that is on the components folder. Product card.jsx. Then I'll write everything on the code. But we're still not quite done yet. We still need to modify the money compared price. Then copy the file. Then go to the function on the return part and override it. With that, there's some error that we need to fix. Go back to the editor. I will recopy the return function. And it seems that I made a mistake when copying. Because I have two export default, I need to get rid of it. Then rewrite the return that was copied before. Save it. If we get back to the Hydrogen app, it seems that almost all of it are now white, but there are still some black fonts that are hard to see that we need to change. So copy it and go to moneyprice.calendar.jsx on the components folder that is below this file. Then rewrite. Save it. Let's see the changes made on the Snow Develop. Now it is all white. We can see clearly what is the product name and the price. And that's it for the collections modifying. For the next video, we will need to modify the product details page. See you on the next video.